Hi there. Are you in control of your body? Do everyday activities seem like challenging tasks? Does a long staircase feel like a huge mountain trek? And going to work each day feels like a struggle? There is a lot we want to do, obviously. When the body is easily tired, the brain may slow down, becoming dull as well. So what efforts do we make to gain control? Well, to start with, the right metabolic rate can help bring stability to the body. Metabolism is the calories that the body burns for you to breathe, support blood circulation, maintain organ function, and extract energy from your food. Wow, that's a lot. It's like your car burning fuel to keep you moving. And you know, with some cars, well, it's not really that smooth. You can maintain or improve your metabolic rate with at least 30 minutes of activity every day. Yes, at least 30 minutes. And a healthy, wholesome diet. A diet that supplies required proteins and is low on calories. This helps your weight management and following a healthy, active lifestyle routine. Slow metabolism and reduced energy levels can make you inactive. Yeah, we all know how that feels. So guess what? Here's the solution. Presenting Herbalife's Herbal Control. Herbal Control contains a unique blend of green, black, and oolong teas that supply antioxidants. It also contains natural sources of caffeine for an uplifting treat. Caffeine helps stimulate metabolism and is known for temporary thermogenic benefits. Herbal Control tablets provide an energetic sensation and increased alertness. Take one tablet 3 times a day. A lifestyle that is filled with activity, exercise, and a healthy diet can help you gain better control towards your well-being. You can finally take on your daily tasks with more energy, all through the day. And who knows, maybe get started on some adventure sports on your wish list. So why wait? Get started today on your wish list with Herbal Control.